Task number 3, types of Linux shells. Like the command prompt and PowerShell, in Windows OS, Linux has different types of shells available, each with its own features and characteristics. Multiple shells are installed in different Linux distributions. To see which shell you are using, type the following command, echo, then $shell. And that will bring us with what type of shell we are using. You can also list down the available shells in your Linux OS. The file is from etc shell. The file is from this file, shells, in etc directory. Contains all the installed shells on your Linux system. You can list down the available shells in your Linux system OS by typing cat etc shells in the terminal. And here we see an example of that. Boom, there you go. These are all the installed shells on this specific machine. To switch between these shells, you can type the shell name that is present on your OS, and it will open for you. As can you see below? Boom, there you go, just the name. ZSH, right? Dash, bash, and so on. And boom, there you go. If you want to permanently change your default shell, you can use the command chsh, the following command, chsh -s, and then user bin and the shell that you want. This will make this shell as the default shell for your terminal. There are many types of Linux shells. We'll discuss a few of them and their features. Born again shell, the default one, is the default shell for all Linux distribution. When you open the terminal, bash is present for you to enter commands. Before bash, some shells like sh, ksh, and csh has different capabilities. Bash came as an enhanced replacement for these shells, borrowing capabilities from all of them. This means that if it has many of the features of these old shells and some of its unique abilities. Some of the key features provided by bash are listed below. Bash is widely used with scripting capabilities. It offers a tab completion feature, pretty useful feature, which means if you are in the middle of completing a command, you can press the tab key on your keyboard. It will automatically complete the command based on a possible match or give you multiple suggestions for completing it. You can use the tab not only for commands, but also for name of files, of directories, and so on. Bash keeps a history file and logs on all your commands. You can use the up and down arrow to use the previous commands without typing them again. You can also type history to display all your previous commands. Also, there is a pretty cool command in the history. Let's say there is a pretty cool shortcut for history. Let's boot the machine to show you that what I'm talking about. It's a pretty cool shortcut in order to search the commands that you used, if you don't remember one. Friendly interactive shells. Friendly interactive shells, or fish, is also not default in most Linux distributions. As its name suggests, it focuses more on user friendliness than other shells. Some of the key features provided by fish are listed below. It offers a very simple syntax, which is feasible for beginner users. Unlike bash, it has auto spell correction for the command you write. You can customize the command prompt with some cool themes using fish. The syntax highlighting feature is fish colors different. The syntax highlighting feature of fish colors different parts of a command based on their roles, which can improve the readability of commands. It also helps us to spot errors with their unique colors. Fish also provides scripting tab completion and command history functionality, like the shells mentioned in this task. Pretty nice. Z-shell. Z-shell or ZSH is not installed by default in most Linux distributions. It is considered a modern shell that combines the functionalities of some previous shells. Some of the key features provided by ZSH are listed below. ZSH provides advanced tab completion and is also capable of writing scripts. Just like fish, it also provides auto spell correction for the commands. It offers extensive customization that may make it slower than other shells. It also provides tabs completion, command history functionality, and several other features. So the full name of them, Bash is from Born Again Shell, Fish is from Fish Friendly Interactive Shell, ZSH is from Z Shell. Scripting capabilities for all of them, it offers widely compatible scripting with extensive documentation available for Bash. It has limited scripting features as compared to other two shells, Fish. And then it offers an excellent level of scripting, combining the traditional capabilities of Bash shell with some extra features. That is the ZSA shell. Tab completion, it has a basic tab completion feature for Bash. It offers advanced tab completion by giving suggestions based on your previous commands for Fish. If its tab completion capabilities can be extended heavily by using plugins for ZSH. Customization, basic level of customization for Bash. It offers some good customization through interactive tools, Fish, and advanced customization through MyZH framework for ZSH. User friendliness. It is less user friendly, but being a traditional and widely used shell, its users are quite familiar and comfortable with Bash. It is most user-friendly shell, Fish. It can be highly user-friendly with proper customization for ZSH. And then syntax highlighting. The syntax highlighting feature is not available in the Bash command. The syntax highlighting is built into this Fish shell. The syntax highlight can be used with this shell by introducing some plugins for ZSH. Selecting the best Linux shell depends on your usage and its features. The shell discussed in this task are some of the many different shells available in Linux. You can compare the features of these different shells and choose the best one based on your tasks. Let's go back up here and see the split view. Let's open the terminal and let's say really fast, open cat. And let's see, and then shells. There you go. These are the ones used. ZSH, boom. We launched ZSH, boom. Now, what I wanted to show you, if for instance we say list, print working directory, and change directory, what we've seen already, up one level. All right, now if you say history, there you go, everything that we use. Now, if you press Ctrl-Shift-R, and here we say, for instance, I don't remember that up here we use the cat command, right? If we say cat, there you go, you have the command over there. By pressing enter, you automatically use it. Again, Ctrl-Shift-R to search. If you remember, I don't know, a keyword, you don't even have to remember the cat keyword. For instance, let's say the ... There you go. I use it over here. Boom. There you go. Enter. And you just use that one. This is a pretty fun shortcut. I will expand on this, but for now, that's more than enough. Yeah, this one also. Let's see what shell we use right now. It's Bash. The default one. Answer the questions below. Which shell comes with syntax highlighting as an out-of-the-box feature? The Fish one. Which shell does not have auto spell correction? That's the Bash one. Which command displays all the previous executed commands of the current session? That's history. Awesome.